This module wasn't planned and it's for a reason because it's probably the most real module I'm making, the real video I'm making. And I want you all to pause because this is the reality of video making. This is the most common thing that me, you, and every single person who's gonna watch this video has in common. This video is about excuses because every single person, including me, struggles with the thing we do the most, which is make excuses. Especially when it comes to making content, making video, and essentially finding a way not to make video. I consider myself an expert in creating quick, effective content. I preach about how easy it is, how easy it is to be real and authentic, and how important it is, and to just effing do it anyways. Hurry up and suck. Hurry up and fuck up. It's what I say all the time. And well, this video is just a little tidbit about my reality, the true reality of creating video, which ends up being you making a lot of excuses because you can very easily say, hey, I haven't shaved, I haven't done my hair, I don't have makeup on, the kids are outside, there's roosters clucking behind me, it's Tuesday, I thought this was a Friday thing. You're gonna find a million excuses while you're doing these videos. No matter the reason, no matter if it's for business, brand, or for fun, excuses are the most commonplace variable. So I'm just going to give you my little insight. Currently, I just moved houses, so it means a whole new shooting setup, which is, now I do have a fancier light, I have a bit more room, but it's been about 5 days and I haven't recorded any videos for this project, for these courses. And I found different excuses every single day. Oh, it's too late. Oh, the room's not set up. Oh, I don't have lights. Oh, this. Then it was, oh, I haven't shaved. So it even happens with me. It's been 5 or 6 days, haven't done a video. I need to finish this for you guys. So just giving you a little bit of insight and also how to overcome some of this. Sometimes you have to challenge yourself. We all work on different methods of incentivization. Us as humans, we're very simple creatures. And to incentivize, you could do it a bunch of different ways. You can punish, you can do treats. Some people say, hey, if I finish 5 videos, I can go get a scoop of ice cream, go hang out with friends, go drink. Or you can punish yourself, which is what I'm gonna do. I hate doing videos when I'm not shaven and not looking clean. But I'm no longer gonna use that excuse. I'm gonna overcome it and I'm gonna make myself a bit uncomfortable while doing it. The more uncomfortable you are doing things, the more you're gonna be successful in life, because when those uncomfortable situations that you can't control come into place, come upon your life, come upon your timeline, you're gonna be way more comfortable overcoming them, struggling through them, toughing yourself through those. So I'm gonna give you my personal challenge of what I'm gonna do, and you're literally gonna be part of this journey for the rest of the videos. I'm not gonna shave or cut my hair, which I like to do myself here at home about once a week. I'm not gonna cut my hair or shave until these videos are done, until I get to module 14 or 15, until I finish these videos. So you're gonna be seeing me get grislier and grislier, uglier and uglier. And that's my proper truth. That's my proper reality, my true authenticity of what I'm gonna be doing with you guys as you continue finishing up these videos. So stick around, have some laughs. I'm gonna look horrible, and I may reshoot them eventually, but this is my true reality. You're gonna see my horrible mustache grow in, you're gonna see my bad beard come in, and that's okay. Or I may finish all by tomorrow, who knows. But just giving you guys a dose of reality of what it is to create content, to create videos, and to overcome the hardest part about this, which is our own brains. That is the biggest thing that stops everybody when I tell them about this course. It's the overcoming that mental aspect. I hate being on camera. I don't look good. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. Say anything. Do something. You don't want perfect, you want done. You want first. It doesn't matter if you have free AirPods. If no one knows about it, those free AirPods are gonna stay in your pocket. So take this dose of reality, enjoy it. I hope you at least get to enjoy the rest of the videos as you progressively see my mustache come in super, super bad. All right, take care, talk soon.